Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me Qari Faisal Shafiq and you are watching Join Online Quran YouTube channel. Yes listeners, in the previous lectures we discussed some basic letters of the Holy Quran and still we are learning Tahajji series. So today we are going to learn sixth basic letter of the Holy Quran. So let's start with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay listeners, so you can see in this page, Alhamdulillah, we completed 5 basic letters of the Holy Quran and today we are going to start this sixth basic letter of the Holy Quran. So today's letter is Ha. Okay listeners, so first of all we are going to discuss how to read this letter. So you can read this letter as Ha, Ha, like that. You have to read this letter with clear sound. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about the point of pronunciation of this letter, where from we can read this letter. So the point of pronunciation of this letter is middle part of your throat. So that's mean we can practice this letter from the middle part of our throat. Yes listeners, so you can see in this page, this page is very important to understand this letter point. Okay, so first of all you can see here there are 6 letters here which we can pronounce from our throat. So these 6 letters are called in Arabic halaqi letter. Halaqi means you can pronounce these 6 letters from your throat. Halaqi means throat letter actually. But today we are going to discuss just this first throat letter, which is Ha. Okay, so you can see here there are 3 parts of our throat. First part is called nearest part of the throat, which is upper part of throat, that is called in Arabic adna halq. Okay, so the second part is middle part of throat, so that is actually in Arabic wastal halq, and this part we are going to use for the practice of this letter Ha. Okay, and third part is bottom part or lower part of the throat. Okay listeners, so you can remember just this middle part of the throat for the practice of this letter. Inshallah we will discuss these other 5 remaining throat letters in next coming lectures, and we will discuss one by one point of pronunciations of all these letters. Okay, so you can practice this letter by using your middle of your throat. So you have to read this letter with a very clear sound, and it's a little difficult letter to pronounce, but when you will practice again and again, so you can read this letter with a correct sound, with a clear sound like Ha, like that, with opening mouth. Some people are reading this letter like Hey, like that. So this sound is also a wrong sound. So you have to practice this letter with opening mouth, with a clear sound like Ha, like that. Okay listeners, so I hope you enjoyed today's lecture and you learned something new. If you think this lecture is helpful to practice this letter, so then must subscribe our YouTube channel to get new knowledge. Inshallah, we'll see you very soon in the next coming lectures. Until Allah Hafiz, take care, good care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.